guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. We are going to be doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel. So if you guys are ready to get into some of these packages, let's go ahead and get started. Started this week. Happy Friday, you guys. I hope you had a great week. We have a ton of packages I have sitting next to me. It's been another crazy week, so I'm excited to dig into some of these with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. The first box I'm getting into came over from Ipsy, and this is actually a really cool package because they are actually opening up their Ipsy shopper to everyone for the holiday season. If you guys don't know what the Ipsy shopper is, it is basically a site on Ipsy's website that has a ton of different deals with a bunch of different retailers, and normally it's only open to anyone who subscribes to Ipsy, but over the holiday season they are opening it up to everyone, so you guys can shop the deals on there as well. I'm gonna have them linked down below. When I was on there was a ton of really great savings that were on there, and then they sent over some different gift sets. So the first one is from LUMIERE, and this is the Bright on Time set. So inside of here you have a Essential C cleanser, an Essential C moisturizer, and then also a Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening serum. So you have this little gift set here. It says that it's $25 gift set. We also have this one from Bumble and Bumble, which is cool. So this one is a happy holiday set. It has in it a shampoo, a conditioner, and then a oil primer, which is great. We also have this cute little gift set from Pixi. It has a glow tonic in there, which is one of my favorites. It also has the glow mud mask and then the glow mud cleanser, which I've been wanting to try the glow mud cleanser, so I'll have to give this one a try. And then we have one more gift set in here, and this one is the Winter Escape Sea Salt Body Care Set, and this one is from H2O Beauty. They have a bunch of different products in this one. There is a body butter, a body wash, a conditioner, and a shampoo. So super cool gift sets from Ipsy, and definitely check out the Ipsy shopper if you guys have some last minute shopping you need to do, or if you want to pick up something for yourself. Thank you so much to Ipsy and the Ipsy team for sending this over to me. Okay, this next box, I'm not sure who this is from, so we will find out together. Right, and this box is actually from NUGG, and it says, wishing you a holiday filled with love, cheer, and skincare. Our little nuggets make the perfect gift for beauty lovers everywhere. And it looks like they have a stocking in here, which is cute. It's like a little bag here, and then inside, ooh, we got some products inside of here. So the first thing I see is one of their 4-piece sets, and NUGG has some of my favorite masks. I really love these. They're super affordable, and you can use them up to like 4 times. So you just kind of close up the little thing here, put some saran wrap around it, and you can keep using them. So this is a really nice set with 4 different ones in here. This is really cute too. We have a lip trio, and this is their lip conditioning treatment. It's kind of like an exfoliant for your lips. And then we have the Skin Fizz, which is a cleansing exfoliator. And then we also have a few more masks here. And the rest of the stocking is filled with a bunch of candy. So thank you so much, NUGG, and definitely check out NUGG's masks. They're super affordable and really nice. The next box I have here actually came over from Pixi, so let's see what's inside of here. All right, so inside the box we have this cute little present, so let me open it up. This is so sweet. So we have a giant glow tonic. I told you guys I love it. This is so cute. So they sent me a giant glow tonic that has my name on it and some facial cotton. So this is actually really cool because this tray is a tray that you could just leave in your bathroom, and then you can just continue to fill it up with your cotton pads. This is so sweet. And then it says, treat your skin to our award-winning glow tonic personalized just for you. And then it has like the little glow tonic here as well. This is so sweet. Thank you so much, Pixi. This is one of my favorites. So this next box is actually from Cargo Cosmetics, and it looks like we have, it says, happy holidays from Cargo. So happy you loved the Namaste palette. Can't wait to hear your thoughts on our holiday blockbuster palette. So you guys know I opened the Namaste palette a little bit ago, but they actually sent me another palette. Love the red again, and let's see what this one looks like. So this one is the Blockbuster palette. This feels so smooth. Again, love the packaging on this. Ooh, this is pretty. This is like all neutral. Let me pull the top off so you guys can see. Look at this. That's like all like neutral tones. I am in love with all of these like nude tones here on the bottom, and then you have a bunch of warm colors up at the top. This is such a nice palette. It has a nice mirror as well. It's a little bit larger, but I kind of love that it has everything, and it all has like the names. So the names are really easy. They're like D3, A, B, C. Like that's really cool. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Cargo Cosmetics. I can't wait to try this out. And if you guys want to see a video of me using like this and the Namaste palette, let me know. The next box is actually from Lilah B. So I've talked about Lilah B before and how their packaging is just so amazing. It's so luxurious and just like heavy and so luxe. So they sent over this really cute little mirror that is super heavy again. Their packaging is so cool and unique. And then also inside of here we have an eye and lip brush. And then we also have a glow face mask. Ooh, I want to try this. I think Jaclyn Hill actually always talks about this one. I believe this is the one she uses. Yes. So this is like a little mini bottle of it. So let's try it out. I've always wanted to try this actually. So this is the one that she like mixes. Holy glow, okay. That's definitely glowy. This is the one she like mixes. I believe she sprays like her sponge with it and then goes in with her foundation with it. And then we also have a Divine Lip and Cheek Duo in here as well. Thank you so much, Lilah B, for sending over some more products for me to try out. I feel like we are already so shiny today and now we're just extra shiny. So hope you don't mind. This next box came over from FARAH Brushes. I love FARAH brushes. You guys know I talk about them a lot here on my channel. And it said, hope you enjoy our newest launch. And it looks like we have an eye brush set. These are nice. So a Black and Smoke 8-piece eye brush set. I use their face brushes literally every single day. I don't have too many eye brushes from them. So this is cool that they came out with a whole set. So here is a few of them here. So let me pull them out. This is actually kind of cool. So it has like a black and white handle, and their brushes are always super soft, really high quality. I'm definitely gonna have to give these ones a try. It looks like we have some nice different blending brushes. There's some shader brushes, pencil brush in here. I'm definitely excited about these because like I said, I use their face brushes all the time, especially their bronzer brush. That one's like my absolute favorite. So thank you so much, FARAH Brushes. So up next, the package I want to show you guys actually came over from the Farsali team, and I already opened this because I saw chocolates delivered at my door and I was like, who sent me chocolates? And it was actually from Farsali, so they sent me over this very nice Harry and David chocolate set. And I'm just so excited. This is like my favorite, my dream come true. A lot of chocolates. So Farsali has always been so generous to me, and they're one of those brands that has always been so sweet. So this just was very nice of them to send this over to me and my husband for the holidays. So thank you so much, Farsali. This was just so nice, you guys. This next box actually came over from Melody Joy PR, and this is the Beauty Essentials box. I always love getting these boxes from them. Oh my gosh, this one has so many products in here. Okay, so this says the Best of Beauty 2018. So this one has a ton of different products in here. So the first thing I see is from Pathology. We have some of their Flash Patch Illuminating Eye Gels. So you have two different ones of those. I love these. They are so good. So definitely excited to have a backup of those. We also have something from Yensa, which is the new brand under Pure Lease. So this is actually a pumpkin 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask. So I have to give that one a try. We have something from Sienna. So this is the Ultra Last Eyeliner Pencil. And next up, we have something from Matte Crush Vasiti. I hope I'm saying that right. This is a lipstick pencil. Let me open this one up. Oh, fun. So it's just like a little, like a lip crayon actually. Let me pull this out. So here's what that one looks like. Let me give it a little swatch. This color looks really nice. Ooh, it feels really nice. Here is that color right there. So this again is from Vasati. I think I'm saying that right. I'm so bad at pronouncing names, you guys. There's also like a little sharpener in here as well. We have this mascara from Pacifica. This is a Black Crystals Supercharged Extending Mascara. We have another product from Sienna. It's another Ultra Last Eyeliner Pencil. Ooh, this is from Tree Hut. This is a Shea Sugar Scrub. It says it's Vanilla Bean. That's gonna be amazing. I think I've heard quite a few people talking about this before, so I'll have to give that one a try. Up next from Bioderma, we have the Ultra Gentle Shower Gel. Got lots of products for bath time. I like this. So this is from Bioderma. I love a ton of their different products. And then we have something from Chutta. This is a healing hydrating cream. And then we also have, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. We have something here. This is from La Mini Macaroon. And this one is a face mask. Ooh, this is a hand mask. So it says, give your hands a treat. This is a 15-second hand mask. That seems really cool. I'll have to try this. We have so many different like body care items, so this is really cool. And then we have this whole bag here, and this says it's from Morgan Taylor. Ooh, this is nail polish. Ooh, pretty. So we have a bunch of different nail polishes in here. These look like perfect holiday colors. We have some glitter. Look at this copper shade. That's really pretty. And we also have in here a couple of other colors. We have some more reds, another silver, and this bag is really cool too. Like they're in this bag really nicely. This is awesome. And then we have another product here from Bioderma. So this one is their Ultra Smoothing Balm. So this is for irritated and sensitive skin. And then we also have, the last thing here is a palette from Nomad Cosmetics. Oh, it's actually not a palette, so it is a bunch of different individual eyeshadows. They have a mirror here as well. So these are the Stockholm eyeshadows, I believe. I'm gonna pull a few of these out. So they are the Iridescent Lights Intense eyeshadows. So let me swatch it and see what they look like. I have tried one other palette from Nomad before, so I am curious to see what these are like. So here's what the packaging looks like, and ooh, this is a fun green shade. So there is the eyeshadow, and let me swatch this. It looks super buttery. Holy whoa. Ooh, look at that. That is so pigmented. Ah, pretty. I bet these are all really cool. I'm gonna grab out this blue one too. You guys know how much I love blue. Yes. So we have this like midnight blue color, and I'm gonna swatch. These seem really cool. Ooh, that is pretty. So there is the blue one, and there are a bunch of different colors in here. So that is everything that came in the Beauty Essentials boxes, the end of year box. So thank you guys so much. There are so many amazing brands in here, and also some newer brands, which is why I love getting these boxes, because I get to try out a lot of different products. And that green I'm gonna put on my eyes right now. It's so pretty. I always have my baby wipes on handy to remove all of these swatches. If you guys are someone who swatches stuff often, I recommend using baby wipes. It's so easy to wipe off the makeup. Like it really just takes it right away, and it's way more affordable than buying like makeup wipes to remove your swatches. So up next we have a box here from Global Beauty Care. All right, so inside of here we have a cute little card that says Makeup Molly, and this is a little card from them. So it says, thank you so much for being an amazing friend and fan of Global Beauty Care. We appreciate all you do. Happy holidays from your Global Beauty Care team. This was so sweet. And inside, it looks like we have some products. So the first thing inside of here, sorry, it's sticking to the paper, is this Retinol Hydrogel Face Mask. This is an anti-aging face mask that is 15 minutes. Ooh, this seems really cool. I always love anything that has like retinol in it. That's definitely my favorite. We have some little stickers in here, and then it looks like we have one other. Oh, this is cute. So this is actually a little snow globe. How sweet of them. So right here it says Global, and then on the back it says, I believe, Happy Holidays, Makeup Molly. Oh, that's so cute. So they personalized it. I know it's hard to tell because of all the glitter, but there you guys can see Happy Holiday Makeup Molly. That is so sweet of them. Aw, everyone is being so cute for the holidays. It's like melting my heart, you guys. All right, so we just have a couple more packages left. We have another package from Pixi, which is super exciting to get 2 packages from them. So it says Pixi Glow on the top here, and let's open it up. Yes, these are so pretty. Okay, so it says Pixi Glow, and they have some new glowy products inside of here. They also have this really cute selfie light in the middle, which is always super helpful. Let me swatch both of these. They look so gorgeous. I can't believe how large these pans are right here. So these are called their Pixi Glow Cake. So we have 2 different ones. So this one is the Gilded Bear Glow set. So here's what the inside of that one looks like. So it looks like it kind of fades from a highlight to like a blush bronzer duo, so you could use it like all over your face. So there's the highlight, and then there's like the bronzer blush part. So I'm gonna swatch both of them. Ooh, this is pretty. So there are both swatches, so you could always use them like individually, or you could like swirl them all together. So this one is called the Pink Champagne Glow. This one is super pretty. I'm really into like pink glowy like blushes and highlights. So here are the two swatches from that one. I'll swatch them right next to the other one. There they are on the bottom. These are really pretty. I'm excited to try these out. Pixi is one of my favorite brands for like more affordable. They do their skincare really well, and they also do their face products really well. And I just love their highlighters. I'm really into their lip products. I actually just like a lot from the brand, so this is really exciting to get. Thank you so much, Pixi, for both of those packages this week. Aw, this is super exciting. The next package is from CATRICE, and I love CATRICE. I've actually wanted to try this foundation. It's on my list at Ulta to get. So this is their HD Liquid Cover Foundation. They sent me this shade Light Beige. And then I also have this whole baggie of products right here. So first up, I see the Mattifying Waterproof Powder. Ooh, and transparent. That'll be nice to try. I'm always into finding loose powders and also pressed powders. So here we have the Precious Copper Palette. This looks pretty, so there's what that looks like. You can find CATRICE at Ulta. They are super affordable. We have here the Campaign Champagne Highlight. This is one of my favorite highlights. You guys have seen me talk about this one before. I love that one. And then next up, we have a couple of their concealers. So this is their Camouflage Liquid Concealer. I have tried this, and I do really like it. We also have in here a couple of more products. So the Light Correcting Serum Primer in Candlelight. And then we have a mascara. This is the Glam Doll False Lash Mascara. And then we also have one of their, this is their Prep and Fine Ultra Shine Fixing Mist. I actually have this one in, it's like a purple bottle, and I tried it and I really liked it. And then one last thing in here is a lip product. I've never tried any other lip products. So this is an Ultimate Matte Lip Color. Ooh, very, very vampy there. That looks nice. So let me swatch it actually. Ooh, this is actually a different color. It's kind of like a more chocolatey burgundy shade. This is really pretty. Thank you, CATRICE. This is so exciting to get a package from them. I am definitely excited to try out a bunch of these products. They look really nice. All right, and we are on to our last box here, and this is a big one. This one is like a massive, massive box, and I'm not sure exactly what's all in here. This came over from Lumiere Divai, I believe is how you say it. Ooh, and I think that this is like an advent calendar. All right, so each one of the boxes has a different product in it, I believe. So this first one is the Rose Refresher Smoothing Toner, which is gonna be nice. I'm gonna open just a few of them. I don't know if I'll open all of them because that might be a lot. But the next one here, this one is the Renewal Elixir Facial Treatment. Ooh, these all sound so, so nice. Number 3 has a serum concentrate in there. So number 4 has inside of it this Moisture Intense Sheet Mask. I'm excited about this. It says it has 2 different sheet masks in there. All right, so I'll open one more of them here. I don't want to open them all because I want to save them kind of to do like daily. But this next one here, this one, ooh, it's a lipstick. So it says a mood changing lipstick. Oh, fun. So it's one of those flower lipsticks that's going to change with your mood. That's really cool. So I'm going to save some of the other ones to kind of open daily, but this is so fun. Thank you so much, Lumiere. This is really, really cool. And what a generous package from you guys. But after that, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing. I can't believe some of the packages we got. What a crazy week. I'm so excited to dig into all of this makeup and skincare and beauty products. So big thank you to all of the brands who sent over products this week. And of course, a massive thank you to you guys because you make this all possible for me. The more these videos grow, the wilder it is to me. And I just want to thank you guys for that because you have everything to do with that. So thank you so, so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section down below what product you guys are most excited to see me talk about more, or if you want to review on any of the products, please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.